Yo, Rachel, how I go? You know, so I'm sorry to disturb your dreams still, but me not feel too comfortable in that place anymore. I see two objects over there, so we just upset my spirit right, you know, and I have to just lift up your it. So not disrespect still. I gotta lift up right, you know. So we are.
Brandon, what is happening? What's going on? Why do you want to leave in such a hurry? Talk to me.
I just don't feel too comfortable anymore. Some people walk in me and them they see eye to eye, and nothing at all, so I just decide, so I don't want to stay here, so no more, I just want to lift up out that place, so just understand what I go on still. I gotta lift up the it, so for everything we see her around.
Whoa, wait a minute. Let me get my things and I'll leave too. Can you at least be a gentleman and walk me to my car so we can talk about what's happening? Brandon, who are those people you're talking about? Talk to me. Who are they?
You know, see, I'm ex. I'm a so-called friend, Joaquin. Two of them did that mess around behind my back one at a time, and I find out everything when I go on. So from them Joaquin, my spirit just get cross. Somebody just have to lift up.
Okay, Brandon, I can definitely understand that. That's so messed up on so many different levels and so many different ways. But thanks for being a gentleman and walking me to my car. I really appreciate that.
We asked him and Rachel, I wouldn't have it no other way. My mother go my good, so being a gentleman is definitely a part of my personality. I wouldn't have it no other way. It's just unfortunate for me that I end up with the wrong type of female when I appreciate a good man in her life. But anyway, I will give you a call as soon as I reach in and check up on you. Make sure so you get in safe and thing. You see it? I gotta give you a call too. So we can link up another time, man. Under better vibes, better circumstances, and who knows, we can have a real deep, soulful conversation. What do you say about that?
Okay, Brandon, that would be nice. I'll definitely be expecting that call. Anyways, have a good night.
You see them face, but you can't see them heart. But them actions tell us though. As the Jamil would have said in one of them songs, none of them have the realest talk and the dirtiest heart. A mind game them a play. But watch this, man, better than watch this. We are going to show you who are going to play the real mind games in this. Just watch and see where I go on.
When your man look round and see the two away and Ashley come like it's a ghost him see a while ago. She say him not feel too good for no see me I go beat out the whole of your belly in a night here.
You can't still go and skin off your teeth, you know, better than you can't still go and laugh like you think that this is a joking matter. This no look what coming on it all, you know. Right now I feel like a real waste y'all. I come and let down Brandon big time. Brandon a good youth. And Brandon no deserve none of this.
Hey girl, I better you type your chattings, you know. Lock off your mouth, man. Lock off your mouth. And that I come around and say if you come to come in and chattings with man but Biggie that Brandon. Oh, call the bartender and order 2 rum cream and make a sip 2 rum cream because you don't know so more and go home. Go beat out the whole of your belly later. Because right now, man, thirsty.
Oh, why you take me for your papa show? So that's all you can think about it? Just for go back home, for come beat out the whole line of my belly? You're not even a pre-say. Oh, you do to the youth, Brandon. A idiot thing that.
So I know you want to feel bad. Through all of this you go on. When time Brandon there firing and you give me the whole of your belly for me beat out left, right and center. Oh, you never feel bad them time there. And I know you want to feel bad. You see when a girl telling you, no wicked. Remember that. Anyway, all the way out there, I make you start sick on them. Because cut no one cut out quick and fast after this.
Oh boy. Father God, you see or no?
I can't wait for daylight coming up. Channels time. I can't wait for daylight. I really need to hear from the general overseer star. Need that strapped upon me right now. Yo, man, come get up and I'll go link the boss jig around on the ends and Jano. Feel like say a full time and I'm get a bus in the streets and go show the boy better than what time it is. I don't have time for a play. I like a good boy type of thing with nobody again. Sympathy lies in the heart. We have weak men. And right now, me think tough. So out the road, I did some thing there. You know, me there in the morning, I just go and met some things with me and my father did all that reasoning about before him drop out. And me there, I remember one of the last thing when him said to me, he said, Brandon, sympathy lies in the heart of a weak man. And you know, me never did fully understand what him said them time there. Because me used to meds more how when mommy I say. Because mommy always I say, to just pray love and say the best and the good in everybody. Because love conquers all. But it look like my father did it right. Me did too weak. Me too sympathetic towards everybody and me just love everybody. And me see the good in everybody. And you see which part that carry me come right you know? Me get gunshot in my body. Me coulda not there right now. So right now that just a tell me for the one thing, you know. If you just hit the road with my clips them load and show them boy what time it is. Because them boy and I appreciate kindness, them boy and I appreciate love. So we have to just deal with them likewise. So me I gotta jump up right now and go link the General G up on him ends, ask him where am I deal with and get the ball player going. Watch this. Go on.
Wago and Brandon. I was up on man in so early in the morning. I was really happy with you. You come on the ends here, come link the general, now you come back again. And what kind of style is you try to pull off? Where you on Brandon? Where you really on?
Go easy in a country, man. What kind of argument that you try to pull off, per man, brother? We not depend on styling things, country. We depend on. Nah, man, no bother with them type of argument, brother. Just make the general know some of the out here, so. Just make him know some I come link him back on the argument that me and him all what here. It's not no styling thing, one country. Me think genuine, you see it?
Both your intentions pure, no? But I come to me with no little good boy, good youth type, I think even though we know say you're a good youth, you know. Not because me drop out of school long time, but me a boy I'm a pre-human being. And anything the so-called wicked man can do, the so-called good youth can do it too. Because every human being is consist of good and evil. So nobody feel like say you can use a little good boy routine and come check me. You forget say years and all the youth them over there so for your be shot by the youth them over here so. And we have to hold the way ground and stand up strong so the youth them not come murder we have over here. So we have to talk about Brandon. If I see a youth like you from over this frequent ends, we have to pray because badness the thing name.
You understand why I say fool is still in a country and a real mediamic still is it. So no hard feelings, man. Just make Jigo know some me out here, man. Cause me and him for mats up a little small thing, you see it? And trust and believe it will benefit all the way. You hear that?
Now say a word, man, and I link the general right now.
Yo, country, Wagwan, we are David.
You know how you out there from across the freeway and Brandon say them out to come link him a general. Could I say, let him run?
Yeah, man, I can make him come round pon the ends, man, but I don't know the usual routine. He might forget search.
My general, I say a word, man, just consider it. Don't just look out for him as it. Yo, Brandon, the general said that good for come round still, you know, but you don't know the usual routine where I forget a proper search before you go round pon the ends, that's it.
Yeah, man, away I say, man, country, man, me know the shreps, man. Just do the do so me can just get for go round pon the ends, because all I want to reason with the general, that's it. Morning time, general, where they pan? You know, say other reason them come finish with about a little argument there from yesterday evening. Where I say, all the things said. But I know where I go and come ready right and I'm a general.
I hear you still in a Brandon, I hear you. But me there really I wonder to myself if you really can take on a mission like this. Because you is not a youth from the streets like that. So you don't know how the gun run. Yo, hold on there. Sit down here, so. Make me and you sit down and hold that serious reasoning. Let me tell you this, Brandon. Your streets have code we never Google no know. You need to understand certain things about the streets. And you have to in the streets to know certain things about the streets. Hear this. You have youth who go in the street and the first time in bun a spliff, he mad out. You have girl who touch in the streets and the first time she sleep with a boy, she breed. You have youth who go so bam and go in the streets with a strap and the first time him touch the road with them clips them load, police either murder him or him end up a GP or run off a 10 to 15 year sentence. So nobody feel like say the streets are no plaything in a youth. The streets is not no plaything. The streets have code, as me say, whenever Google know.
Yeah, you're still in a jigo and everything what you say a real talk and a real media world with me right now. Because me day in the streets and me I tell you so me I learn and me I learn fast. You know one of the wickedest thing when me learn in the streets since me in the streets. One of the wickedest thing where the streets teach me, Brandon, is that anybody can switch up on you at any time, no matter the history or the bond where you want, feel so you and them have. Remember that. Say, yo, them will switch up on you quick and fast. And as I rightfully said, Jigo, the streets have code we not even Google no know.
So with all of that said in a Brandon, we have to go come up and devise a decent plan. You hear that?
Good morning, my sexy body man. The man of my dreams. The man who know to please me right. How are you doing today, baby?
You know, I'm a good in the morning, Ashley. Last night was great, so this morning, good.
You see your face about you good. The way how you beat up me like a goodie last night. Me I feel wonder if a fussy I get some, you deal with my thing proper, you know. Oh my God, Chano star, you beat it up good. And I some love when you just fling it palm me without warning, you know, be there.
Come in like say I forget say a jail man I come from in Ashley.
Sure. Then if only few days you get locked up in a jail for you are gone. So imagine if you did get 13 years like Cartel. You would have literally killed me last night. Because the way you deal with the thing, you deal with it like no mercy no left in a job book. Because you never did show me no mercy, none at all. You deal with the thing dapper, proper.
Think you easy, Ashley. Think you easy. But let me ask you something. When Cartel did come out of prison, I don't know see my walk out of prison and see them decide him and be things are go on. How long after that on take for see them? I beat the man I beat out that for days.
Put fun and joke aside now. What I want for the place what me ask about, that me a defend now. Cause you met me and Brandon break up. And right now me all around my mother and I feel sleep on floor. Me gone back to dog life because of you. So me really want to know what's going on with that place where me and you did a talk about.
No so far to man from me tell us I gotta deal with the thing or deal with the thing in a day. Man. As a matter of fact, pass my phone over this so I gotta call the one tuggy right now and send him pan the end so get to like a jobby for go and clean up the place for him idea. May have your back man and say I old man everything go to you, see?
Yo, my general, morning, where you deal with me, G? Everything good?
Oh yeah, I say man, my go to man, me up like 7 in the morning, man. But here back one. When you get to juvenile, you remember a little pre when I did a show you some one that like a spot across the free if you actually get it. When you get the two juvenile them and make them match it up to me real decent. Me soon forward pan the ends come go na a piece of food so I can run a boat so every man can get a plate for eating idea, you see it.
Yeah, man, my general, man. I way ask someone, me go get the two juvenile, them and go get that mash up right, you know, my boss.
No, that me a talk about. That is how a real general gets to work for him, woman.
So Jago, we are gonna do this or what? Talk to me now, come I'm ready right you know.
Yeah, man, we are deal with it, man, but hold on pon that strap here, you know. This are the thing where I gonna use to carry out the mission. And make sure so you protect it with your life, because if you lose it, you have to go pay for it. And when time I say pay for it, you go pay for it dearly. You understand, Brandon?
Yeah man, my father Jago man, what you say man, I fully understand everything what you say man. I gotta make sure say me tuck it in neat pa my belly when time I make it step like grasp on my hands. Nobody know how to see it. No worry yourself man, Jago man, we have the thing locked. Yo, country, bless up yourself, you know, me I go back on my hands right now, so we see you again in a treat, you see, bless up.
What that the boy Brandon have talking pan him waist so? I really a strap the general gay boy Brandon. And look how me day I bleach day in, day out. And the hunger time I can't get a strapper when time me and hold off the front. Me not have no strap for keep on care like the boy Brandon. Nah man. Right now me a pre deep in this one, yeah.